Welcome to our channel, Editor's Review. In this video, we'll explore the best airflow PC cases available on the market. Whether you're building a new rig or upgrading your current setup, optimal airflow is crucial for keeping your components cool and running efficiently. We've scoured the market to bring you the top choices that not only enhance cooling but also offer great design and functionality. From mesh front panels to innovative cooling solutions, these cases are perfect for any PC enthusiast. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews. Also, check the links in the description for more details on each product. Let's dive in! Number 5 Cooler Master HAF 700 EVO Airflow PC Case. The Cooler Master HAF 700 EVO Airflow PC case is a top-tier choice for enthusiasts seeking optimal airflow and cooling performance. Designed with a focus on high airflow, it features a mesh front panel and spacious interior, ensuring excellent ventilation. The case supports multiple radiator sizes, up to 480 mm, and accommodates large graphics cards and high-end components with ease. The inclusion of dual 200 mm ARGB fans and additional fan mounts allows for customizable cooling solutions. Aesthetically, the HAF 700 EVO impresses with its sleek, industrial design and customizable ARGB lighting, which can be synchronized with other components. The case offers ample cable management options, ensuring a clean and organized build. Its modular design facilitates easy upgrades and maintenance, making it a favorite among DIY builders. In addition to its airflow capabilities, the HAF 700 EVO provides excellent build quality and durability with a robust steel frame and tempered glass side panels. This case is not only functional but also a visual centerpiece for any high-performance gaming or workstation setup. Its combination of superior airflow, expandability, and striking design makes it a standout choice for those prioritizing cooling in their PC builds. Why did we choose it? 1. Superior airflow with mesh front panel. 2. Supports large radiators up to 480 mm. 3. Includes dual 200 mm ARGB fans. 4. Robust build with tempered glass panels. Number 4 Phanteks Eclipse G360A. The Phanteks Eclipse G360A is a premium mid-tower PC case designed for optimal airflow and cooling performance. It features a full mesh front panel that allows maximum air intake, ensuring your components stay cool even during intense gaming sessions. The case comes with 3 pre-installed DRGB fans that enhance both cooling efficiency and visual appeal, offering customizable lighting effects. The Eclipse G360A supports a variety of motherboard sizes, including ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX, making it a versatile choice for different builds. It accommodates large graphics cards up to 400 mm in length and CPU coolers up to 162 mm in height, ensuring compatibility with high-end components. The tempered glass side panel showcases the interior, highlighting the components and RGB lighting. In addition to its cooling capabilities, the G360A offers excellent cable management with ample routing channels and a PSU shroud to keep your build clean and organized. This case strikes a perfect balance between performance, aesthetics, and ease of use, making it an ideal choice for any PC enthusiast. Why did we choose it? 1. High airflow with full mesh panel. 2. 3 pre-installed DRGB fans. 3. Supports large graphics cards. 4. Excellent cable management options. Number 3 Thermaltake Core P8. The Thermaltake Core P8 is a striking full-tower PC case designed for superior airflow and showcasing high-end components. It features an open-frame design with 3 tempered glass panels, providing a panoramic view of the internal components and enhancing the overall aesthetics of the build. The case supports both vertical and horizontal motherboard layouts, offering flexibility for various configurations. The Core P8 is optimized for cooling performance, with support for up to 18 fans and multiple radiator mounting options, including space for dual 480 mm radiators. This extensive cooling capacity ensures that even the most demanding systems remain cool under heavy loads. The case also includes ample space for large graphics cards and custom liquid cooling setups, making it ideal for enthusiasts and modders. Cable management is a breeze with the Core P8, thanks to its spacious interior and strategically placed routing channels. This ensures a clean and organized build, enhancing both airflow and aesthetics. Overall, the Thermaltake Core P8 is an excellent choice for those seeking a high-performance, visually stunning case. Why did we choose it? 1. Open frame design with tempered glass panels. 2. Supports up to dual 480mm radiators. 3. Flexible vertical and horizontal motherboard layouts. 4. Excellent cooling and cable management options. Number 2. Fractal Design Torrent RGB. The Fractal Design Torrent RGB is a high-performance PC case engineered for superior airflow and cooling efficiency. This case stands out with its unique design that maximizes air intake, featuring a large, open front grille and 5 pre-installed high-quality PWM fans, including 2 180mm front fans and 3 140mm bottom fans. This setup ensures exceptional cooling performance, making it ideal for high-end gaming systems and powerful workstations. The Torrent RGB supports eATX, ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX motherboards, providing great flexibility for different builds. It accommodates large graphics cards up to 423mm in length and CPU coolers up to 188mm in height. The case also supports multiple radiator sizes, with space for a 420mm radiator in the front and a 360mm radiator at the bottom, catering to extensive liquid cooling setups. Aesthetically, the Torrent RGB features tempered glass side panels that offer a clear view of the interior, showcasing your components and RGB lighting. The integrated RGB controller and software compatibility allow for personalized lighting effects, enhancing the visual appeal of the build. Cable management is streamlined with the Torrent RGB, featuring wide routing channels, Velcro straps, and a dedicated cable cover to ensure a clean and organized setup. The PSU is top-mounted, creating more space at the bottom for enhanced airflow and easier cable management. Overall, the Fractal Design Torrent RGB combines exceptional airflow, versatile compatibility, and striking aesthetics, making it a top choice for enthusiasts seeking the best cooling performance. Why did we choose it? 1. Large open front grille design. 2. 5 pre-installed high-quality PWM fans. 3. Supports extensive liquid cooling setups. 4. Streamlined cable management features. Number 1. Corsair 5000D Airflow. The Corsair 5000D Airflow is a premium mid-tower case designed to prioritize cooling and airflow. Its perforated front panel and spacious interior ensure optimal ventilation, making it an excellent choice for high-performance builds. The case includes 2 Corsair air guide fans that feature anti-vortex vanes to direct airflow and enhance cooling efficiency. The 5000D Airflow supports a variety of motherboard sizes, including ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX, providing flexibility for different configurations. It accommodates large graphics cards up to 420mm in length and multiple radiators, with space for up to a 360mm radiator in the front and a 360mm radiator on the roof. This makes it ideal for custom liquid cooling setups. Aesthetically, the case features a sleek, modern design with a tempered glass side panel to showcase your build. Cable management is a highlight, with Corsair's rapid route system that simplifies routing cables through a single channel, keeping the interior tidy and improving airflow. Why did we choose it? 1. Perforated front panel for maximum airflow. 2. Includes 2 Corsair air guide fans. 3. Supports large graphics cards and radiators. 4. Excellent cable management with rapid route system. Thanks for watching our video on the best airflow PC cases. We hope this guide helps you choose the perfect case to keep your system cool and performing at its best. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content. Your support means a lot to us and helps us continue to bring you high-quality tech reviews and guides. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and help you with any PC build queries you might have. For more details on the cases we covered, including where to buy them, check out the links in the description below. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy building!